Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Tobias, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing and doing a review of the Samson Q9X dynamic broadcast microphone. The Samson Q9X goes for $129.99 on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and put that Amazon link down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. The audio that you're actually hearing right now is coming from the Q9X. As you can see, I have it here set up right in front of me, and if you look right here, I have the Q9X attached to a boom arm stand. The boom arm stand that I'm using is the Toner T30, which goes for $46.99 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link for the T30 down in the description below as well. And I have the Q9X running into my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface, which goes for $129.99 on Amazon. So I'll go ahead and put the link to that down in the description below as well. When it comes to the boom arm stand and the audio interface, you do not need to use the same exact ones that I'm using. I would just aim to get something that has a somewhat good reputation and is reliable. The Q9X can attach to any microphone stand that has the standard microphone stand threading on it, and the Q9X actually does not require phantom power because it is a dynamic microphone. The Q9X also has a switch on the back of the microphone that boosts the mid frequencies. I'm going to go ahead and have that switch engaged for most of this video, and then at the end of this video I'll go ahead and turn that switch off, so we'll just get kind of the flatter frequency response, and we'll see if we can hear a difference. So I just wanted to get that stuff out of the way real quick. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys an unboxing, which I did earlier. I'll talk a little bit about the microphone. Then we'll do several different audio tests so we can get an idea for how this microphone sounds. And in the end, I'll give you guys my final review. And if you guys decide at any point that you do like this video or that this video is helping you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, including more microphone reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button, and let's jump straight into the unboxing.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
So as you can see inside the box, we got the instructions and the microphone, which came with a wind muff on it. So this is a XLR microphone, so you will need an XLR cable to plug into an audio interface. It does not come with the XLR cable, so you'll need one of those as well. If you do need one, I'll put a link to one in the description below. So I think it's worth mentioning that you probably noticed that this microphone looks very similar to the Sure SM7B, which seems to be like one of the most popular microphones on YouTube right now. I feel like so many people use that microphone now. But just like the Sure SM7B, this is also a dynamic microphone. The capsule of the microphone is right here in the front, so you want to make sure that you're talking to the front of the microphone just like I am right now. This microphone does use a humbucking coil just like the Sure SM7B. I don't know too much about the humbucking coil, but I believe the purpose of it is to cancel out any electromagnetic hum or interference. One thing that I am noticing with this microphone is that the gain seems to be pretty low on this microphone. On my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, I have my input gain for this microphone turned up about 3/4 of the way, and then I have my headphone gain turned up, I would say past 3/4 of the way. It's actually almost turned all the way up. And in Logic Pro, which is where I'm recording my audio to right now, I may be reaching a max peak of -20 dB. So the natural just volume of this microphone seems to be fairly low, especially when you compare it to like condenser microphones. Usually with a condenser microphone, like usually my go-to microphone is like this one right here. It is the Audio-Technica AT4040, which is a condenser microphone. Usually with that microphone, I usually only have my input gain set to, I would say, not even halfway. So anyways, I just wanted to mention that really quick. I figure it might be worth testing this microphone out without the wind muff and just see how like, kind of see how that, So I think I pretty much hit all the points I wanted to talk about. Let's go ahead and do a few different audio tests so we can get kind of an idea of how this microphone sounds. I know that across the street or like somewhere in my neighborhood, it sounds like there's music playing. It'll be interesting to see if this microphone picks that up, but hopefully it won't. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into doing a few different audio tests. The first thing I want to do is listen to the noise floor. I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds and just see if you can hear like an underlying hiss noise. You might hear, I have a couple fish tanks in here. You might hear a little bit of like kind of like a watery sound. But let me stop talking and we'll take a listen. Okay guys, I can kind of hear the hiss. I'm going to go ahead and turn the gain all the way up and let's see how that changes. The gain is now all the way up. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it back to where it was, roughly 3/4 of the way up. And right now I'm tapping on my computer's keyboard directly behind the microphone while I'm talking. And right now I'm tapping on my desk with my fingers while I'm talking. And right now I'm whispering right into the microphone from about 1 inch away. And right now I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the Q9X. Alright guys, so I just went back and listened to the audio that I just recorded, and I now have the mid switch turned off, so we are hearing a bit less of those mid frequencies. And I think the audio quality of this microphone is actually pretty good. We do kind of get a noticeable noise floor, but it's not really that bad. Typically, if I wanted to get a lower noise floor, I would use a large diaphragm condenser microphone like my AT4040. But the benefit of a dynamic microphone is that we should be able to get a more dynamic range and volume without clipping, and we should be picking up less background noise. So there kind of is like a time and a place for if you use a dynamic microphone or if you use a condenser microphone. It just kind of depends on what you're doing or what you want to achieve. I think this microphone sounds pretty warm, especially when you have that mid switch turned on, and I think it would sound great for things like voiceovers or doing a narration. And in the end, yeah, I do think it's a nice sounding microphone, and I would say it's definitely worth the $129.99. And I would have no problem recommending this microphone. Once again, I will go ahead and put the Amazon link for everything that I used in this video down in the description below, including the microphone, the stand, the audio interface, and a XLR cable. And if you did like this video, or if it helped you out at any point, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. I'll go ahead and put my Instagram handle right here so you could follow me there, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!